Welcome to EV Evolution. In this video I will show you how we use the electric motors to replace your internal combustion engine. So these motors are designed to fit the transmission of your existing car. So you can fit them easily on your transmission and they get connected or replace the engine in your vehicle. So we'll start from the left side where we have the smallest motor. So this is 15 or 30 kilowatt peak power motor, 150 newton meters of torque and 7,000 RPMs. In fact, all motors have 7,000 RPMs because they are designed to replace the internal combustion engine. So 7,000 RPMs is the limit that we set up for these motors. Next motor is the 18 or 35 kilowatt motor, 170 newton meters of torque. So a little bit even smaller than this one, but providing more power because no additional box like this one. Next is this is 96 volt system. This one also comes a 96 and 144 volt system, and this now is here is 144 volt system. So in 96 volt system this motor has 20 or 40 kilowatt peak power, 200 newton meters of torque or 210 newton meters of torque depending on the motor, and 7,000 RPMs. So very powerful motor, good replacement, water cooled for your existing car. If you need high power going uphill, then you need water cooling system, and especially if you have a heavier vehicle, then you need water cooling system for more endurance and longer driving uphill and downhill. Next is 40 or 65 kilowatt motor. So this one comes only in 144 volt system. So 252 newton meters of torque, so very powerful motor. For these small motors, so these small motors also can come with transmission, single speed transmission that you can install. So connect this with the electric motor, and then we also provide direct drive shafts for the motor, and then you can drive this without gearbox. So if you don't want the gearbox or you reuse the old gearbox, then you can connect directly without transmission. You just need to mount it on the mounting holes. Also the motor has mounting holes here, so it perfectly fits this transmission, this motor. For the water cooled motors, these two, we have the small radiator. This is a good unit that has all-in-one. So we have the water pump, the cooler and the water tank all in one unit. So very compact, as you can see, very small and very compact, because these all motors are permanent magnet motors. It's the best motor that you can buy for your EV conversion, because permanent magnet motors have much lower working temperature, so they are much more efficient than AC inductive motors. So very powerful motors, the latest technology, and designed for long lasting. 7,000 RPMs will not cause any damage to the bearings inside the motors or something like that. Next we have the AC for replacing your air conditioning. So this is 2.4 kilowatt and it comes with different control systems. Next to this is the motor controllers. So these are for air cooling. These two are air cooled, and this one is water cooled system. So this comes with these two motors. So very simple design. We use the same controller for the easier setup for all types of motors. These motors can be easily fit in your existing transmission. You just need to connect this drive shaft with your clutch or direct drive to the gearbox, depending if you want to use gears or no. And then you only need something like this. So this kind of adapter plate that will be placed on the motor, and this adapter plate needs to have the shape of the gearbox. So you can do this easily, or any CNC manufacturer or metal manufacturer can make this kind of adapter plate for your gearbox or electric motor. So it's simple design. We do this with 3D modeling because we're doing a lot of these EV conversions, and it's simple to have it for later, because when we make it once, so we can, if you order, if some other clients order again the same, you just push the button and the new piece comes out finished. Yeah, so very simple to do it. If you are interested in these EV conversion kits, you can contact us. We have them in stock. You just need to order. We provide all of the details and instructions how to connect everything, and we also configure the motors and deliver them as tested and configured, so you are sure that they will fit your vehicle and the performance will match to get the best of the motor and your transmission, to not, let's say, destroy your transmission because of the high power punch. We do it with the curve, so it has a lower start power and then increasing the power curve slowly, so it doesn't damage the existing transmission because of the motors, because these motors are very powerful and directly can destroy your gearbox because of the high power punch. Please keep subscribe to our channel, because subscription or following our channel will allow you to see how we install these motors in some of the vehicles that we are converting also for our clients, and you will see also how we manufacture these parts, how they get connected to the transmissions, and how some of these motors look when installed in the cars. And also you'll see about the batteries, how the batteries looks, how they are installed, the mounting positions, and we also provide detailed information about the installation of the cars and how we did it, so you can, for example, copy our instructions. So please keep subscribed, following our channel to get the best info and for doing the same by yourself.